Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into OneDrive where you can manage files centrally. Make sure you're using the account that needs space freed. Once signed in, check storage and settings to see what's taking space and note large folders. This tells you where to focus. Close any apps that are actively syncing large files so deletions register correctly. Now locate the top offenders, large files, recycle bin, or photos, and prepare to remove or relocate them. Now you'll remove the big items. Use size or details view to sort by file size and delete the largest files first, because that maximizes freed space quickly. Then clear the OneDrive recycle bin and purge version history on files that don't need older copies. This often returns significant space. If you want to keep certain files, move them to an external drive or create a compressed archive. This keeps data safe while reducing cloud usage. Make sure to sync afterward so changes propagate. Finish by confirming the updated storage and settings. Sometimes numbers lag. Sign out and sign back in to force a refresh. If space continues filling, disable autosave for desktop and documents, and review camera upload or backup settings so new files don't immediately return the problem. If you encounter sync errors or deleted space isn't reflected, restart the OneDrive client and check the recycle bin one more time. If it still fails, use Storage Sense or contact support for account-level issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.